Welcome back to the garage here at Basin Motorsports. I'm Canaan, and today we finally are finished with the 86 Mustang that we brought home 4 years ago. And I'm going to walk you through everything that we did on it because it is officially for sale. Alright, so there it is. I'll give you a good look at the exterior of it. This is a 1986 Ford Mustang, also known as the Fox chassis or Fox body. It has an original V6 with a rebuilt C5 transmission. Now, when we brought this home, it was in pretty rough shape. It had been sitting for about 3 years in a field, didn't start, didn't run. Basically, the guy had got it to restore and never got there. So I picked it up, we put it on a trailer and brought it home. So the exterior of it is vinyl wrapped. Now, this is a matte titanium from Avery Dennison. Covers the complete car on the metal itself. The trim and the body moldings has all been repainted with SEM charcoal gray. Just give you kind of a walk around here. So everything has been removed, replaced. Now I've left the original tires. These are the original wheels from 1986. And they're nothing fancy, but it gives the new owner the option to do something to match their taste. We replaced both taillights, as the original ones were pretty cobbled together in terrible shape. Again, the exterior, everything has been either wrapped or painted. Also put in a new windshield, new front emblem, and everything's been aligned. As we start to look at the interior, these are the original door panels. I did replace the map pocket on the driver's side. It was pretty rough. New dash pad went in, a new heater core, new carpet. Original seats are there, but they have been cleaned up. New coin tray where the keys are sitting, new console top. Everything else is original. We did do all seals throughout, so we have the doors, both the door panel on the inner waist molding here. We did the runner over here, and we also did the exterior on the window itself. Very quiet car now. Everything is sealed up well. Get a good look here, the interior. Carpet looks really good. Seats are in great shape. And we even changed out the headliner and added some boom map up top to help kind of kill some of the noise of these tin cans. Now in the hatch, again, we also replaced the seal for the hatch. New gas struts went in, new carpet, and of course we still do have the spare tire in there with the jack and the lug wrench. Let's peek at the interior here. Good carpet. Now, I didn't do floor mats because I didn't know what somebody would want. They may want black, they may want matching colors, but we did include everything else. Now, it does have a tape deck. Yes, a real tape deck that does work, and in there is some Johnny Cash. If you're a big fan of the Man in Black, there you go. I've hooked you up there. Now, under the hood of the 86 Mustang, we have the original V6. The car has 166,401 miles on it. Everything is original, but in good working condition. I also added a new battery, new water pump. We resealed the engine, so it has all new valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, front main, rear main. Of course, new coolant to go with the water pump, oil change, new transmission. Now, it is a C5, but I did upgrade it with C4 internals with the local transmission shop. It's rated to handle up to 350 horsepower, so if a new owner would like to change it over to a V8, you have a working automatic that will immediately support V8 power up to 350 horsepower. Under there, I also added a new hood insulator and gave everything a thorough inspection to ensure there is zero rust at the strut towers, which is a common problem with Fox bodies, or anywhere under the vehicle. So now that you've seen the full spec of the V6, a lot of you are going to have questions of why I didn't modify certain things, right? Wheels and tires, why didn't I swap out a 5-speed? The point of the 86 was to bring it home and save it. When I got it back here, I thought it was going to be a shell. It wasn't going to be anything spectacular. And when I really kind of dug into it, it is a very original car. Original drivetrain, everything worked. Just needed some love. So the point of the 86 was really not to modify it, but to keep it as Ford intended and do my best to just put it back to factory stock or stock plus. No modifications. And the point of it is I left everything alone so that if somebody else decides to buy it and they want to change it, then that is their prerogative. Nothing is built to my taste other than, yes, I selected the color, which is pretty close to the original paint code of 1D, which is like a smoke or a metallic gray. It's a little bit darker than what it is, but with the body and the trim and everything else in the charcoal gray, I think the matte titanium does a very good job of blending in. So now that you've probably seen the series, and if not, I will link it at the end. Everybody wants to know what the price is, and I'm currently listing it for $8,500. It comes with a clean Oregon title. And if you're within a certain mileage of me, maybe a few hours, yes, it's not registered or have insurance on it at this point, but I might be able to deliver it, drop it into your driveway, roll it off the trailer, give you the keys. It's all yours to go have fun with. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this series of putting the 86 together over the last 4 years. I've had fun doing it, and I'll link the playlist at the end. If you guys have any questions of modifications I did, where I bought anything, I still have receipts for everything, and it's a documented car the way it is with a clean title. Hard to find nowadays. So that's it. Thanks for enjoying this series on the 86. Now we're going to move on to a new project, and that is all. Thanks for stopping by.